Hey y'all, welcome back. So excited to be back. I'm sorry I have been MIA trying to put some things together, but I'm back and I feel all the love from all of you on my birthday. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this very simple yet super effective whitening serum. This serum was made from scratch. This serum will give you a glowing, beautiful white skin. Yes, it is super whitening. It will whiten your skin very fast. So if you would like to see how I made this serum, you definitely want to watch this video till the very end. Hey flawless skin gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Now my name is Select Halio and I'm super excited to have you guys here. Thank you so much to everyone who has wished me a happy birthday, sent me messages, and I feel the love and I'm very thankful. So today, like I said earlier, we're going to be making a very simple serum that will whiten your skin. I see that you guys love these serums and I decided to start a playlist or something just to show you different ways that you can make these whitening serums using simple ingredients that you can switch around to suit your need. Now I'm going to leave all the ingredients and the measurements on this video, so you definitely want to watch this video till the end, because I won't be answering any questions that ask like can you list the ingredients, because the ingredients are listed in the video. So you definitely want to watch this video to the end to get all the ingredients and their measurements for this batch that I'm making. So these are the simple ingredients that I'm making. These ingredients are available for sale. If you want them, you can send me a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar, or you can use the link in my description that takes you directly to my website to purchase these ingredients. Also, my ebook is still available. You guys have just this month to still buy at 5,000. After this month, from January, it goes back to 25,000. So if you haven't bought this ebook yet, you definitely want to go ahead to purchase this ebook right now. And also, I told you guys that I'm going to be doing like a giveaway on my birthday. So I'm going to be giving out 5 people. I'm going to be giving free ebook to 5 different people. All you have to do is be among the first 5 people to comment on this video, and you will be qualified to get my ebook for free. So yes, this is just my little way of saying thank you for staying with me through all the times, just being there. I want to say thank you. So here we have our glycerine. Glycerine is my base that I'm going to be using for this recipe, and I'm using glycerine because it is water soluble, or it mixes with water, so this will help my other ingredients combine properly, especially my water-based ingredients. So for this recipe, I'm using mainly water-based ingredients. I'm also going to be using Beauty Series oil. Beauty Series oil is like a skin polisher. It's a skin perfection oil. It is very moisturizing, very good for your skin. So I'm going to add that as well. Don't worry, all the ingredients are going to be listed in the video, so just keep watching so you get all the ingredients and their measurements. So next, I'm adding my propylene glycol. Like I said always in my videos, propylene glycol is good for it's a humectant, and it also helps other ingredients penetrate into the skin to deposit or fill in or put in all the ingredients that you've added in your recipe to give you a flawless result. Now here is my sodium lactate. Like, if you have been following my channel, you know how much I love sodium lactate. Sorry if I'm being distracted because messages keeps coming on my screen. You guys are still pouring in messages on my birthday and wishing me a happy birthday. I'm really grateful, and I love you guys so much. So moving on, I'm going to measure out my powders. Now I'm using niacinamide powder, and I'm using this because it's water soluble and it also has a very nice effect on the skin to blur out pores. It helps to clear dark spots. It helps to, you know, remove redness from your skin. A lot of you ask me, oh, what can I use to remove redness on my skin? Niacinamide is a very good ingredient that will help remove redness from your skin. It helps with hyperpigmentation, sunburn, sunspots, age spots. It's really good with pigmentation, so I'm going to be adding that in this recipe. And I'm also going to be using my Giga White powder. Now Giga White is another very active whitening ingredient that has been proven to whiten the skin flawlessly. It gives that clean, beautiful, luminous feel, and I'm going to be using that as well for this recipe. I'm going to add that into my niacinamide because they are all whitening, they're all water based, and I can as well, you know, dissolve them together. Now if you have time and you want to dissolve them separately, that's fine, because they have a different boiling point. They have different boiling point. How am I going to explain that? They have different heat tolerance. So the kind of heat that will dissolve niacinamide may not be enough to dissolve your Giga White, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to add both of them together and dissolve them together. Now moving on, I'm going to be using my Snow White powder. Now Snow White powder is another very nice skin whitening ingredient. It will help to give your skin a very luminous feel. Like if you have been following my recipes and you have been doing them properly, you will notice that ingredients that or recipes that have Snow White as the ingredient definitely gives you a very smooth, luminous feel. So I'm going to add that into our serum as well. And for this one, I'm going to dissolve it on its own because it tends to be a bit tricky when dissolving. So I'm not going to add that. I will melt or dissolve both of them differently. So yeah, this is my powder. Now I'm going to be using hyaluronic acid to dissolve this. You can use hydrosol, you can use distilled water, but for this video I'm going to be using hyaluronic acid to dissolve this. Yes, I'm going to do the double boiler method. If you have this particular kind of hyaluronic acid, you can go ahead to use it, it's fine. So I'm going to use that to dissolve my my powders, and also use that to dissolve my Snow White powder, but I'm going to dissolve this one first. And after measuring out what I need, I'm just going to mix everything together and then go on to my double boiler to double boil this so that the powders can dissolve properly. So here we have our powders. You can see it has dissolved. I didn't have the patience to, you know, wait all the way, so I will just filter out any extra powder that didn't dissolve completely. And if you can see, I didn't put the parts that are not properly dissolved. So here is my Snow White powder as well. I have gone ahead to dissolve that, and any extra I didn't add it because I didn't have the patience. I was in a hurry trying to make this video quickly, but you can go ahead to wait for your powders to dissolve completely before adding them. So basically what I will do here is mix it thoroughly and then keep it to this to rest, so that all the powders will go to the ground of the container, and then I will just take the top out. It's easier for me that way. But if you have a sieve, you can go ahead to use your sieve. So moving on, I'm going to be adding my preservative. Now, because I added water in this formulation, I'm going to be adding my preservative. I used water instead of the hyaluronic acid to dissolve the Snow White powder. I changed my mind and I just used water. So I used my distilled water. Make sure you are using distilled water. Make sure you're not just, using any tap water. Make sure you're using distilled water. So here we have our serum. Everything is dissolved, everything is mixed. Now I'm just going to go ahead to pour this into our container. But before I do that, I decided to add Sepi White serum into this formulation. Now I was going to do a 100 ml batch, but at the end of the video you will see why the 100 ml I had more than 100 ml batch. So everything you do in skincare is good to formulate your recipe properly, so that if you're trying to formulate a 100 ml batch, you're making a 100 ml batch and you're getting an accurate 100 ml batch. If you're making a 500 ml batch, you're making a 500 and you're getting exactly that. So at the end of this video, I just went ahead to add Sepi White serum into the recipe just to give it more effectiveness. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel up till now, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please take this time to hit the subscribe button down below. That's the red button down below, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me. Hit the thumbs up button. Please don't hit the thumbs down. Hit the thumbs up button, and make sure you watch my videos till the end. Also, leave me your comments in the comment section down below. Tell me what you want to see. Let me know how you feel about my videos and if my recipes are working for you. Once again, I am super grateful to every single one of you that have wished me a happy birthday. Like, guys, I didn't expect the love that I got. It was overwhelming. I was smiling from cheek to cheek, ear to ear. I was super excited when I started seeing your messages coming in. Thank you so much. So here, this is what I meant when I said I have 100 ml and something left, because I added extra Sepi White serum which was not in the formulation initially. So this is my 100 ml serum. This is my whitening serum. This serum will whiten your skin effectively. It will glow your skin. It will give you that luminous effect that you want. You can use this morning and night. Now you can use this and then put your moisturizer on top. This is super whitening, super whitening, and I'm really happy with this result. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always staying tuned, and I will see you in my next video.